Imagine a life unshackled from the 9 to 5 grind, where you control your time and pursue your passions. Picture yourself waking up without the blare of an alarm clock, spending your days doing what truly fulfills you. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones. This is the essence of the FIRE movement. This is the allure of the FIRE movement: financial independence, retire early. It's a lifestyle choice that prioritizes saving and investing aggressively during your working years, so you can achieve financial freedom sooner than traditional retirement age. By living below your means and making smart financial decisions, you can build a nest egg that supports your desired lifestyle indefinitely. No longer a fringe concept, FIRE is gaining momentum as individuals seek financial freedom and life on their own terms. People from all walks of life are embracing this movement, from young professionals who want to break free from corporate chains to retirees who wish to enjoy their golden years without financial stress. The community is growing, sharing tips, strategies, and success stories that inspire others to join the journey. It's about taking control of your finances, making conscious choices, and designing a life you love. This means creating a budget that aligns with your goals, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to increase your income. It's about being intentional with your money, so every dollar you save brings you one step closer to financial independence. The path to FIRE requires discipline and dedication, but the rewards are immense: a life of freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. The cornerstone of FIRE is a high savings rate, often exceeding 50% of one's income. This might sound daunting, but it's achievable with dedication and a shift in mindset. Start by tracking your expenses, identifying areas to cut back, and automating your savings. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar working towards your early retirement. Saving diligently is crucial, but investing wisely is what truly accelerates your FIRE journey. Explore low-cost index funds, diversify your portfolio, and consider real estate or other passive income streams. The key is to make your money work for you, generating returns that compound over time and bring you closer to financial independence. Frugal living is not about deprivation, but rather about aligning your spending with your values. It's about prioritizing experiences over material possessions, finding joy in simplicity, and seeking out value in all areas of life. Embrace creativity, resourcefulness, and a DIY spirit to stretch your budget and maximize your savings potential. Real-life FIRE success stories, inspiration to ignite your journey. Countless individuals have achieved early retirement through the principles of FIRE. From bloggers sharing their journeys to entrepreneurs who built successful businesses, these stories serve as powerful reminders that financial independence is attainable with dedication and perseverance. Let their experiences inspire you, knowing that if they can achieve it, so can you. The early bird catches the fire. The concept of financial independence, retire early, or FIRE, is all about leveraging time to your advantage. Time is your greatest ally. It is the one resource that, once lost, can never be regained. But when used wisely, it can be the most powerful tool in your financial arsenal. The sooner you embark on your FIRE journey, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Compounding is the process where the value of an investment increases because the earnings on an investment, both capital gains and interest, earn interest as time passes. Don't delay. Start today, no matter how small the steps. Every small action you take now can lead to significant results in the future. Whether it's setting up a savings account, investing in stocks, or simply budgeting your expenses, each step brings you closer to financial independence. Even modest contributions made consistently over time can accumulate significantly thanks to the magic of compound interest. This means that the earlier you start, the more you benefit from the exponential growth of your investments. It's not about how much you start with, but how long you let your investments grow. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was yesterday. The second best time is now. This ancient proverb holds true for your financial journey as well. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to grow and flourish. So take that first step today and let time work its magic for you. Educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on their FIRE journey. Share ideas, learn from each other, and stay motivated. Regularly review your financial goals and progress. Adjust your strategies as needed and stay committed to your plan. Remember, achieving financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Ultimately, the goal of FIRE is to give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Whether it's traveling the world, pursuing a passion, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones, financial independence opens up a world of possibilities. So, start today and let time be your greatest ally on this journey. Consistency, the fuel for your FIRE. Achieving FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges and temptations along the way, but consistency is key. Stay committed to your savings goals, even when faced with unexpected expenses or market fluctuations. Remember your why, the vision of freedom and flexibility that drives your pursuit of financial independence. Your FIRE journey starts today. Take that first step towards financial freedom. Calculate your savings rate, explore investment options, and identify areas where you can embrace frugality. Every decision you make from this point forward can bring you closer to or further from your FIRE goals. Choose wisely, stay committed, and watch your dreams of early retirement become a reality. Join the movement. The journey to financial independence, retire early, is not just a personal quest, it's a collective endeavor. By joining hands with others who share the same vision, we can create a supportive and empowering community. Imagine attending events where you can meet like-minded individuals, share your progress, and learn from each other's experiences. Together, we can build a network that fosters growth and success. Like, subscribe, and let's achieve FIRE together. By subscribing to our channel, you become part of a larger movement dedicated to financial freedom. Every like, every subscription, and every share helps spread the message and brings us one step closer to our goals. Your engagement not only supports the channel, but also inspires others to take control of their financial future. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. The path to financial independence can be challenging, but with the right support system, it becomes much more manageable. Whether you're just starting out or are well on your way, having a mentor or a group of friends who understand your goals can make all the difference. They can offer guidance, encouragement, and practical advice to help you stay on track. Join the growing FIRE community online, connect with like-minded individuals, and share your experiences. Our online forums and social media groups are buzzing with activity, filled with people who are eager to exchange ideas and offer support. Participate in group video calls, attend virtual meetups, and become an active member of this vibrant community. Your journey to FIRE will be enriched by the collective wisdom and camaraderie of others who are on the same path. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, inspiration, and real-life stories of people achieving financial independence. Our content is designed to provide you with the knowledge and motivation you need to succeed. From practical financial advice to inspiring success stories, we cover all aspects of the FIRE journey. By staying connected, you'll have access to a wealth of resources that can help you make informed decisions and stay motivated. Together, let's ignite a movement towards a life of purpose, freedom, and financial security. Imagine celebrating your financial milestones with friends and family, enjoying the freedom to pursue your passions, and living a life that is truly fulfilling. By working together and supporting each other, we can turn the dream of financial independence into a reality for everyone. So, subscribe and join us on this incredible journey towards a brighter future.